Why India? Why has suddenly India become the apple of everyone's eye? You see, the answer probably lies here. Sometime back, the term BRICS was coined to indicate a group of nations which were the fastest growing nations in the world. So you had Brazil, Russia, India, and China being the BRICS of the BRICS. Now, as years have passed by and as oil price has declined, you will find that Brazil and Russia are slowly not the same powers that they used to be. They're not growing fast. In fact, the GDP numbers are showing that the growth is slowing and even retarding negatively. That leaves only China and India as being the fast growing economies in the world. Out of this, of late, you must have seen that China's GDP is slowing down dramatically as well. China is slowing down and has very heavy debt problems. Infrastructure is in excess. There are capacity excesses in machinery, in infrastructure, in real estate, and all these reasons cause China not to be as much of an apple of everyone's eye as it once used to be. So, the fastest growing economy in the world today is India. No wonder you see that everyone is trying to get a piece of the action in India. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi goes to many countries and each of them tries to get his attention. They give him warm receptions and they want to be in India. They want to have a piece of the action because this is where they believe the real growth is. India also is going to benefit dramatically by the falling commodity prices. Most of the other emerging economies are commodity intensive. India is a country which uses more of commodities, it doesn't produce as much. So, therefore, as the commodity prices fall, India is one country which stands to benefit the most. Therefore, you can also say that India is in so called a sweet spot, an area where there is only upside, not much of downside. It's the best place to be in on this planet. If you have to grow, you have to be in India. Now, whether these expectations are going to be met, what is the roadmap ahead? There could be various factors and variables which can impact investments in this country. One of them is the global environment. Global environment itself is not very conducive currently to massive investments and growth. Therefore, you will find that many foreign companies are turning shy to invest in various parts of the world, including India. But as and when the economic environment improves, you will see a beeline by all these foreign companies. And the stage is being set right now by various visits of its Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So one can look forward to better days in terms of the fact that investments are going to go up dramatically in this country, and being the fastest growing economy in the world, there is no wonder that everyone wants to be here to enjoy the upside and to make an impact. So even investors all around the world would be well advised to invest in companies in India which would benefit dramatically by growth in its infrastructure, in health facilities, in education, and in many areas where India lags behind the rest of the world. As these are all areas which are going to go up dramatically, and this is going to result in tremendous profitable opportunities for an ordinary investor. So stay tuned, happy investing, and enjoy your stay in India. Take care, bye.